Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper. And then I want you to get out 2 crayons. I'm going to use red and blue. So, take your first color. Mine's going to be blue. And I want you to draw a circle around all of the numbers on the left side of your paper. And then take your second color, I'm going to use red, and do the same thing. Draw a circle around all the numbers on the right side of your paper. This week, we are trying to memorize our 10-friend math facts. Yesterday, on your seat work, you had made a rainbow to match the 10 friends. So today we're going to be using our colors to help us see a pattern for 10 friends. So on each row, you have 10 dots, and we're going to color them the colors that you chose. So on the first row, we have 0 blue and we have 10 red. So let's take all of our dots and color them red. Then on the next one, we have 1 blue and we have 9 red. So 1 blue plus 9 red equals 10. Okay, let's go to the next row. The next row, how many blue do we have? We have 2. How many red do we have? 8. Good. So 2 blues plus 8 red equals 10. How many blue on the next one? We have 3. How many red? 7. Are you starting to see a pattern in your coloring? As the blues get bigger, what happens to the reds? Yeah, they get smaller. So now I have 4 blue and 6 red. So 4 and 6 are 10 friends. Now let's do 5 blue and 5 red. Okay. So 5 and 5 are 10 friends. How about 6? 6 blue and 4 red. So 6 and 4 are 10 friends. What are we going to do on the next row? 7 and 3. On the next row, what do we have? How many blue? 8. And 2. On the next row, how many blue do I have? 9 blue. How many red? Just 1. And on the last row, how many blue do I have? I have 10 blue and 0 red. And just like yesterday when we made our rainbow, today we have this cool pattern of like triangles. So now on the right hand side, I want you to write the 10 friends. 0 and 10. Then we have 1 and 9. 2 and 8. 3 and 7. What would the next numbers be? 4 and 6. 5 and 5. What would the next row be? 6 and 4. 7 and 3. 8 and 2. 9 and 1. 10 and 0. Very good. On the back, always turn it over to this side and double here. What is 6's 10 friend? 4. See? 6 and 4. Your 10 friends are going to be mixed up. So if you forgot which one makes 10, then you can check. So the first one is 6. So if I look, what is 5's 10 friend? 5. 1's 10 friend is 9. 2's 10 friend is 8. 0's 10 friend is 10. Now here I want you to stop the video and I want you to try the rest on your own. Then when you're finished, push play and check your answers with mine. Okay, did you try it? What is 9's 10 friend? 1. 4's 10 friend? 6. We already did 1. It's right there. So it's 9. We did 10. 0. It's 10. 4's 10 friend is 6. 1's 10 friend is 9. 10's 10 friend is 0. 8's 10 friend is 2. 3's 10 friend is 7. 7's 10 friend is 3. And 2's 10 friend is 8. All right. Good job today on your work, boys and girls.